Prepare for your day with Channel 9 Eyewitness News this morning.
Good downpours. Mascot, Claremont. Little chunk of some thunder and lightning here over the last 30 minutes.
With meteorologist Brian Shields tracking storms for you.
Over 1-2 inches of rain for today and a few inches of rain possible as we go through the weekend.
Live with the latest updates.
Brevard County Schools released dozens of pages detailing what it wants to see out of the next school year.
This is a tentative plan.
Watch Channel 9 Eyewitness News this morning. Live weekdays starting at 4:30 a.m.